Hello everyone, this is Archita, currently pursuing my BE first year in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. My USA number is 1BE23CA008. I am from the branch of Artificial Intelligence. Today we are going to discuss in the course title Introduction to Python Programming. The course code is BPLCK2053. Topic we are going to discuss in the video Operators of Python Programming. Let us see the contents we are going to discuss. Introduction, definition of Python programming, features of Python, operators of Python, and conclusion. Firstly, we can see the introduction about the Python. Python operators are the fundamental symbols used to perform the operations on variables and values. They enable developers to manipulate data and control program flow efficiently. These operators are classified into different categories based on their functionality. They include arithmetic operators for mathematical computations, comparison operators for evaluating conditions, logical operators for combining conditional statements. With a solid understanding of Python operators, they serve as the building blocks of our various programming tasks, and they contribute to the versatility and power of the Python programming language. Definition of Python. Python is a versatile, high-level programming language known for its readability and simplicity. The Python was developed by Guido van Rossum. It emphasizes code readability and has a clean syntax, making it ideal for beginners and experienced developers alike. Python supports multiple programming paradigms, including object-oriented and functional programming. It also plays a role in web development to scientific computing and artificial intelligence. Let us see the features of Python. There are the many features of Python. They are free and open source, easy to code and easy to read, object-oriented language, GUI programming support, high-level language and extensible feature, easy to debug. Python is a portable language. Python is an integrated language and large standard library, dynamically typed language. Let us see the operators of Python. Python programming operators are symbols that perform operations on variables and values. Some common types of operators in Python include they are arithmetic operators, logical operators, comparison operators, identity operators and bitwise operators and multiple operators and comparison operators and Boolean operators. Let us see the arithmetic operators. These are used for basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentation and floor division, which returns the integer quotient. These operators are fundamental in performing mathematical calculations in programming languages and mathematical expressions in general. Let us see the comparison operators. These are used to compare values. They include equality, inequality, greater than, less than, or greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. See in the above figure. Logical operators. These are used to combine conditional statements. They include and, are, and not. Assignment operators. These are used to assign values to variables. They include equals and assignment addition and assignment multiplication and assignment division and assignment subtraction and assignment modulus, which perform the operations and then assign the result to the variable. Bitwise operators. These operators perform operations on individual bits of binary numbers. They include and, are, and left shift and right shift. Membership operators. These operators are used to test if a sequence is present in an object. They include in and not in. Identity operators. These operators are used to compare the memory locations of two objects. They include is and is not. Identity operators are used to check if two variables refers to the same object in memory. In Python, is and is not are the identity operators. They return true if the operands are identical. They reference the same object and false otherwise. Let us see the finally Boolean operators. The three Boolean operators and, are, and not are used to compare Boolean values. Like comparison operators, they evaluate these expressions down to the Boolean value. The and or operators always take two Boolean values or expressions, so they are considered binary operators. The AND operators evaluates an expression to truth if both Boolean values are true, otherwise it evaluates to false. Let us see the conclusion. In conclusion, operators in Python are essential elements for performing various operations such as arithmetic, comparison, logical, assignment, bitwise, and membership and identity operations. They provide the functionality to manipulate data, make decisions, and control the flow of the program. Understanding the different types of operators and how they work is fundamental to writing effective and efficient Python code. Thank you.